This app affairs show you
how to repost deleted stories and also how to repost deleted photo post. So I'm going to opening my story first, and now let's delete this story photo. As you can see, I've deleted my story photo. Now let's see how to repost the deleted story. Going to my profile and tapping on this menu icon, tapping on your activity, and here tap on recently deleted. Select story, and here all of your deleted stories will be stored for 30 days. So let's open the story that I want to restore, and tapping on more, tapping on restore. Now let's go to profile again, reloading my page, and as you can see, my photo story has been successfully restored. And now let's see how to restore deleted photo. So as you can see, I'm in my profile, and let's delete this photo. Once the photo deleted, again come to your profile and tap on this menu icon, tap on your activity, tap on recently deleted. And now to find all of your deleted post, here select post and open the post that you want to restore. Tap on this three dot, tap on restore, and the photo will be again repost on your profile. The same way you can restore your deleted reels by tapping on this reel section. Here you will find all of your deleted reels for 30 days. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.